it is always about the backpack in middle school. So my one daughter picked this, the North Face Women's Jester Luxe backpack. This is in the Gardenia white burnt coral metallic. Look at the lettering is very, very pretty. Very pretty. This is so pretty in person. The color combo is soft, but still fun, and it's girly, but not overly girly. So right away, this looks very sturdy, well made, and sized just right for my middle schooler. So when we open this up, it literally is gonna be able to fit everything. So it has 3 pockets, that's the front. Then it has the middle. I like the fact that it has that for her stuff. And lastly, you have the handle on the back. She can carry it by hand, or she can put it on her back. The straps do adjust. Very soft yet firm. So she's going to be able to hold her whole day's work in here. Her textbooks, her Chromebook, her lunch bag, her water bottles. The water bottles go on the side, and it expands. There is an expander here, so you can put the name brand water bottles in here. The structure is amazing on this bag. You can just feel it. It's not going to bend. It does not bend. Sturdy. And I like the shape. Designed for real comfort for the middle schooler. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. I'm confident that I can keep this thing clean with just a wet washcloth. The quality feels top-notch, and my daughter is actually excited to use this. Highly recommend.